Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download the app without Apple ID password. So let's get start without wasting time. First of all, you have to open up your settings app and then scroll down, tap on screen time, and then again scroll down, tap on content and privacy restrictions, and then tap on iTunes and App Store purchase. So give it your screen time passcode and then select don't required and then go back, turn the toggle off for content and privacy restrictions, and then go back your home screen and then again open up your settings app and then tap on your profile and then scroll down, tap on video and purchases and then tap on password settings and then turn the toggle on for free downloads and then tap on this done and then go back your home screen and then open up App Store and then search some app. So I'm searching, so tap on get and then tap on install. As you can see guys, it's done. As you can see guys, this app is installing right now. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. You have no problem, let me in the comment, I help you more. Thanks for watching.